Hi guys, here 3 plus 18 is 21 divided by 3 times 3 minus 1 in bracket whole square. Here 21 divided by 3 is 7 times 3 minus 1 in bracket whole square. Here 7 times 3 minus 1 is 2 square. Here 7 times 2 square is 4. Here 7 times 4 is 28 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 28 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this pandas rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations pandas. Here, as per this order of operations panda, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operations. Here 3 plus 18 divided by 3 times. Here bracket is 3 minus 1 is 2 square. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here as 2 power 2. We have to do this 2 power 2 before this operation. Here 3 plus 18 divided by 3 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here we have addition, division and multiplication. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication division before this addition. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 18 divided by 3. So here 3 plus 18 divided by 3 is 6 times 4. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 3 plus 6 times 4 is 24. Here 3 plus 24 is 27 is the correct answer.